Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. So in this video we are going to continue to build our small account with Alpha 1 iBot. This is a free binary option robot that you also can run completely free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you'll find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video, you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel. So if that's something interesting about, link below the video. But now, let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. And there we got it, another beautiful win with Alpha 1 iBot. You can see our balance now are at 424, so we are growing steady. You can run this robot also, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.